Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the world time function on your Casio GA-2100. So this is going to work for the entire series of the Casioak models. Now, in order to make sure that you use the world time function properly, you need to make sure that your home city is set correctly, and you do that by pressing the adjust button, and right here on the first option you have your home city. As you can see right now we have Lisbon, so I need to make sure to switch to London, Madrid, or depending on the city that corresponds to my time zone. I will leave a link in the description below to all the time zones on Casio. Then when you have the correct time zone, so I'm going to switch back to Lisbon. Make sure to continue using the mode function in order to set the time and the date correctly, and then press the adjust button in order to end the process. And now in order to use the world time function, we are going to press the mode button, and as you can see right here we have an abbreviation BKK, which is Bangkok, and after that it is going to show you the time in Bangkok. Now you can only use the start button in this world time function, and you can go east. So now we are at Singapore, as you can see, Sin, and then it writes the entire city, Singapore, and then you can actually see the time in Singapore. So I can go even more. Let's see, Tokyo, as you can see, Sydney. Let's say Sydney, then it's going to write the name of the city, so Sydney, and then it's going to show you the time in Sydney. Now, a very interesting thing here is that you can actually turn on and off the DST function on individual cities, and you do that by arriving at the exact city that you want to turn it on or off, and you press and hold the adjust button. As you can see now we have the DST on, and a small square appeared right there at the DST function, and as you can see now the time changed on Sydney. And if you want to turn it off, you press and hold in order to turn the DST function off. And now, once again, we are going to see the time switching back to 22:44. So guys, that is how you use the world time function on your Casioak. So on the GA-2100, you have 31 time zones and 48 cities. So you can browse through all of them. Once again, only east, so you can only use the start button. You won't be able to go backwards. It will only activate the light. Once you have used the function, make sure to press the mode button a few times until you arrive at time. And now you have arrived at your home screen. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.